To trace an image and turn your drawing to a watercolor painting on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you can use Sketch to Image feature and adjust its setting. To do so, open the image you like to trace. Remove your S Pen. On the Air command menu, tap Sketch to Image. Tap More icon or three vertical dot icon at the top of the screen. And then select Transparency. Set the transparency level to the highest one so that you can clearly see the image you like to trace. Now, start tracing. Once done, tap the Output Style drop-down menu and then select Watercolor. Next, tap Generate button to let the AI convert your drawing into a watercolor painting. When the process is done, here you can see that you are provided with some result. You can swipe the result section to the left to see the other images. If needed, you can tap the down arrow icon or save icon at the top of the screen to download the selected image and then save it to the Sketch to Image album on your gallery app. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.